Drought management is important because we now know so much more than we did, say, a generation or multiple generations ago about the sustainability of our water resources. And with the Edwards Aquifer in particular, we know that it's not a question of the aquifer going dry. What we're managing towards is making sure that the spring flows, the Comal and San Marcos Springs, continue to have spring flow, even in the face of drought. We know that back in the 1950s, the historic drought resulted in the Comal Springs ceasing to flow for about 5 months. That's what we're trying to avoid. And so we're managing really part of the system to ensure that enough water and pressure in the system is there to push water continuously out of the spring systems. So as you look around the country, and you may see droughts affecting people to the west of us in particular, as you go out towards the west coast, you move from semi-arid to arid conditions. And so managing what water supply you have, whatever that natural resource is, whether it's aquifer or whether it's surface water, becomes critically important, because water is life and water is livelihood for all of us. So ensuring that you have enough during the driest times is just critical to the sustenance of our communities and their well-being. I think the importance of managing through drought is being prepared for drought. And fortunately, in the Edwards region, we have done a good job, meaning the entire region has come to understand and appreciate and implement a conservation ethic, especially as it relates to the Edwards Aquifer. So we've learned that through experience. We've learned that through past droughts, where we learned the value of water when it's in short supply. The rain comes back and replenishes the aquifer. We don't forget about drought. We begin planning for the next one and being prepared. And I think that's what makes the Edwards region so unique and so well equipped to manage through drought. We know that once we get through this drought, for example, there will be another one in the future. And the work that we're doing now and learning through this drought will help us be better equipped the next time it comes.